stuffed nose, can't breathe, can't smell, here's 2 ways to help you open up your nose. So first way, the most important way, this is the area called the philtrum. You want it right under your nose, and it's kind of like the little groove in your lips. So you want to push there, and you want to find that really tender spot. Yes, it's going to hurt like hell, but you want to press it. This is really good for opening up your nose, for breathing, for smelling, and so that you can smell the roses, so to speak. Step 2. You want to go around halfway between your nose. So from here to here, halfway, right here, you want to find that tender spot. And you want to pull down for 10 seconds, okay? It has to feel sore. If it doesn't feel sore, it ain't working. So all of this, step 2 and step 1. Press it for 10 seconds until it feels sore. Do this at least 3 times a day. Do it when you're trying to smell something, smell food, all right? Give this a try. Follow me on Instagram.
I had altered taste buds for many weeks due to a medication that I was taking. I could not eat a lot of the foods that I enjoyed. They didn't taste very good at all. So this went on for about 8 to 9 weeks. So it's just the food didn't taste very good. So my altered taste buds it's gone now, so my taste buds are back to normal now, which is good. I actually can taste food the way it's supposed to taste, so I'm very happy about that. I really like Jimmy. He's so good. He's very patient. You know, when you see him, and also the staff is always wonderful here. I think just again, Jimmy taking his time to really understand what's going on, you know, without being in a hurry, which is very different from other, you know, clinics or that I've been to, doctor appointments that I've been to. So,
would you recommend our clinic to your friends and family?
Yes, definitely, yes.
If your arteries constrict like this is constriction, but you still have the same amount of fluid within your arteries, do you think that's going to raise the pressure of your arteries, or is it going to decrease? It's going to raise it, right? And so the infrared sauna can get it back to going where it's relaxed. It can get, remember, relaxation right here, relaxation. So it can get it back to where your arteries relax, and that can help regulate your blood pressure, right? 7, circulation. Actually, everything I've been talking about is about circulation, right? So the circulation, infrared sauna can help you improve your blood circulation because it's heat. Any type of heat can improve your blood circulation. That includes the wet saunas and the dry saunas in your gyms, okay? Infrared sauna can do the same thing. Natural anti-aging. Who wants to look older than they really are, right? And so most people want to look like they're 21 again, right? And so natural anti-aging. The infrared sauna, we use it for people who have eczema, psoriasis, acne, and it helps with the treatment process. And number 1, because of a lot of these things, it helps detoxify the skin, okay? If it helps detoxify the skin, you have those psoriasis or inflammation of the skin, wrinkling of the skin. Let's talk about inflammation first. You have inflammation of the skin because you have retention of waste. All the waste products are on your skin. That's why it's showing up on your skin. So the infrared sauna has the ability to help it detoxify and therefore improve your psoriasis, your eczema, your acne, right? But also because it improves blood circulation, it can improve the collagen and elastin to make your skin elastic instead of all wrinkly, okay? Wrinkly and little line and crows, right? So the infrared sauna can do both. Improve the collagen synthesis, it can improve the detoxification of your skin, okay? And last, wound healing. Now this was really developed by, well not developed, but it was really experimented and used by NASA. NASA actually came out with, really made famous all of this infrared technology. Like remember the other infrared technology that we use is called anodyne therapy, and that's we use for people who have nerve damage, okay? It's another infrared heat, okay, an infrared light heat. And so NASA actually developed that and found that, they could use those infrared heat and light to improve wound healing, to make it faster, right? So how does it do that? Well, guess what? It improves blood circulation. It detoxifies the skin. It helps with immunity. It helps with pain relief, right? So of course it's gonna help with the wound healing, right? And so those are the benefits of the infrared sauna, right? Number one, they have a lot of inflammation in their body. If they have a lot of inflammation in their body, they're going to retain water. Okay, so that's, you'll notice that if you're having a hard time losing weight, you look at your ankles are probably swollen. You're retaining water. Why are you retaining water? Because you have inflammation. Inflammation retains water. Okay, it retains H2O. So really, how we help retain H2O, okay? How we help people, let me make that a little more clear so you can see. How we help people lose weight, the first step that we do is we reduce inflammation. When we reduce inflammation, that just releases a lot of the water retention. And that's why in the first month, a lot of our patients lose quite a bit of weight. It could be 15 to 30 pounds, right? And so it's because of the retention of water, right? And so by using the infrared sauna, we can help with that weight loss process. But again, we also want to use the infrared heat to help move blood to the organs so that the organs can function better and you'll lose even more weight. The fifth thing is relaxation. Relaxation is, especially, like I said, we're currently in the pandemic, the coronavirus pandemic. Everybody's they're all nervous, anxious, depressed, everything's so tight. And one of the things is it can relax. It can provide that relaxation. And when you relax, that's actually the time when your body can heal. That's why sleep is so important. By helping you relax, it will help improve your sleep. Okay, this is all in the infrared sauna. The fifth thing is blood pressure. We all know blood pressure, it can't be too high, it can't be too low. So those of y'all who have high blood pressure, you may think it would be contraindicated to go into an infrared sauna, but actually that's the opposite. An infrared sauna actually can help you regulate your blood pressure. With all of this, and going back to relaxation, with all of this anxiety and stress, everything tightens up. So it's not just your muscles that tighten up, it's also your blood vessels. Your blood vessels will also tighten up. They'll constrict. And when blood vessels constrict, do you think that will raise or lower your blood pressure, right? So if you imagine you have a hole, this is your artery. Let's imagine that this is your artery, okay? And you have all of this fluid, and all this stuff, nutrition, waste, all in your arteries. It's gonna be like Fort Knox. Ain't nothing gonna come in here, all right? And so that's the benefit, of the infrared sauna from detoxification and immunity. The third thing is pain relief, right? A lot of our patients come and use this. And so pain relief, when you have pain, you have inflammation. So the infrared sauna actually helps decrease inflammation. Let me write this down for you, okay? So let's put inflammation in red. Inflammation. So the infrared sauna can reduce inflammation. And if we reduce inflammation, then we can reduce pain. Does that make sense? Why do you think your pain medicine doctors, your orthopedic, your neurologists, they give you non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, right? What is steroids? An anti-inflammatory, right? So they reduce inflammation, right? And that's also one of the benefits of acupuncture. Not to get off topic, but acupuncture is the number one tool, number one medicine, the number one medical treatment to reduce inflammation quickly, okay? But we're talking about infrared sauna. The infrared sauna has the ability to help you reduce inflammation and therefore help with any pain relief, okay? So remember, our patients are actually sitting in, the whole body is in the box. It's like you're in a timeout box, okay? And the infrared heat is coming at you in all directions, even down below on your feet. We have the infrared pads right below where you put your feet, so it's coming up. So it can even help with foot pain, okay? So by reducing inflammation, we can really help reduce pain. And we see this with a lot of our patients. In addition, like fibromyalgia, it's phenomenal for fibromyalgia patients. Neuropathy, we are, one of the few acupuncturists in the nation that specializes in treating neurology. And so with nerve condition problems like peripheral neuropathy, which is nerve damage, one of the ways that we help improve or restore, help the nerves regrow, is we use infrared heat. Infrared sauna is one way. We have other tools that we use that produce infrared heat called anodyne therapy. But those, either way, they're both based on producing infrared heat to help stimulate the nerves to start to regrow. Okay, weight loss. Who doesn't want to lose some weight, right? So weight loss, by detoxifying your body, it's automatically going to help you lose weight, right? Because a lot of times when we gain weight, let's say, a lot of people that come to us, they're eating the right diets, they're exercising like crazy, and they still can't lose weight. Why is that? It's a number of things.